Hello everyone, my Tamil Nadu people, my Indian people and my world people. I want to tell one secret about this world. My name is Timing Anand Madurai. Okay, what is the secret? The secret of the world is, the world time is remaining 20 years only, from 2016 to 2036. One Kerala person told that tsunami will come and the border of all countries will change. But my suggestion is, tsunami and earthquake are not coming this 31 December. Because I also attend so many spiritual classes, so many books, reading so many books, and I are also inner power. What will happen in this world next? I also calculate this world from 5 years before. Okay. I know little only in English, so please understand my English. Okay. Tsunami or earthquake are not announced and come, because natural calamities comes suddenly only. See, from this beginning now till now, all earthquake and all natural calamities will come suddenly only, not announced and come. This is one example. Okay. And I want to tell about 4 chapters now today. About tsunami, about dollar crash, World War, Third World War and rebirth. 4 subjects I want to tell. So, my humble request is, please stay and watch my video, not pause my video, please. How the dollar crashed, how the dollar became bad. Now the America, Trump told that Jerusalem is the headquarters of Israel. For this, all countries will against the Trump voice. Okay. Nearly 128 countries will against Trump voice and 35 not joining in vote and 9 will support. So, America want to surrender all countries. For that, their move will demonstrate the dollar. How? New deal in 1093. 1933. Okay. And the new deal happened on 1933. Yes. Now also America will ban the dollar. So, my humble request to all countries is exchange the dollar into gold. Otherwise, which country will not exchange the dollar as gold means that country will become as poor. This is one of the main secret. Okay. Dollar. And if you sleeping, then the dollar will become less better. So, within short period, all countries will change the dollar into gold. Otherwise, America will not buy the dollar. Okay. About World War. After that dollar ban, China and Russia will against America, against the voice of America, and some countries plan to war against America for this matter, dollar ban. In 2020, Third World War in high pitch. How means? The cricket and World War is relevant. First World War is test match. First World War held on 1914 to 1918. And Second World War is 50-50 match, which will held in 1939 to 1945. And now this match is going on. 2020 is going on. So in 2020, Third World War is in high pitch. So each and every person in the world must swear convert the dollar into gold, pure gold, not share market gold. And Bitcoin also come down. So don't invest in Bitcoin, please. Because the Bitcoin secret is very depth. In one video I can't tell the Bitcoin matter. Okay. Next. Rebirth. Bruce Lee, Michael Jackson, Abdul Kalam and so many world intelligent will rebirth in this year. They will announce between 2020. I am the Abdul Kalam, I am the Bruce Lee, I am the Michael Jackson. See, understand my point? All world religion, all will rebirth in this year. And told their secret, how they death. And after that, secret will break. All people in the world will come to clear the rebirth. Soul has rebirth. Now, so many people not believe in rebirth. After that, all souls tell the secret about rebirth. All people will believe the rebirth. Okay, I tell about rebirth. Next. New world will born on 2066. After 2066, the date will change as 111. Date, time and all will change as 111. In 2036, Krishna will born. See, in this year, only 5,000 years. 5,000 years only in this year drama. How the cinema will take 2 hours. In 2 hours, the cinema part is saved. Like this, in this world, 5,000 years only, the world cinema. After the 5,000 years, remaining, the date changes 111. See, the history will, with 7 continents. See, in scientific, they told 7 continents are merged as one land. If the scientists tell this means, after 2034, North America comes down and this person will mingle with Antarctica and this person will merge with South America and this 2 continents will join with this Africa and this Australia will join with this Arabia, India and Africa. And there is no Red Sea, no Caspian Sea, all will merge and became one land within 2034. And 2036, all water will comes down. On the time Krishna will born on the earth, January 1. Now we understand? Understand this? All the planets will join as one. On the day Krishna will born. Before Jesus Christ born, 400 years before, all continents will break into 7. One continent will break into 7. In Noah age. After that only, business will come with gold and after that all changes happen. Okay. When earthquake will come, tsunami will not happen. When earthquake comes, all building will merge and goes to the earth. When the continent will slightly move down, moves right or left, on the time only tsunami will come. Now understand, when tsunami comes means, see, this is all full of water. This is your plastic. Float in this. If this move means, the waves go there like this. If earthquake comes means, the building will go inside. So tsunami is different and earthquake is different. See, and the world became, all world money will not the same. Why means, all world money is depend on gold only. See, 1 gram of gold America is $43. In India is 2,800 rupees. If you divided 43 into 2,800 means, the value is coming 65. So, $1 is equal to 65 rupees. Okay, $1 is equal to 65 rupees. So now you understand what I told. $1, 1 gram of gold divided by another country of 1 gram of gold rate will come the money amount. Okay. What I missed? Nearly I told all secret. Dollar will crash, world war will come, rebirth, all rebirth secret will grow, and tsunami will come on. Tsunami or earthquake will come on after 2026. World war period is 2017 to 2026. Third World War period. Tsunami earthquake period is 2026 to 2036. This is a secret. If I know English very well means, sure I will speak very well. I know little only English, so I can't express all this thing. Okay, thank you.